This tutorial will show you how to register for your courses within the PowerSchool portal. Once you get logged into the PowerSchool portal website on any web browser, you will navigate to the class registration tab on the left-hand side. Once you click class registration, this page will populate and it will ask you to select your courses. To select courses, you'll click the pencil and select the checkbox next to the course you would like to enroll. You'll complete this for each of your core content sections. Your theology should already be selected for you. You'll also select which elective options you would like to choose. Sophomores have 1 elective, juniors should have 2 electives, and seniors should have 5 electives. In addition to your core content, theology, and elective options, you do need to select at least 2 alternate courses. These are used if you don't get into your initial elective choice. At the bottom, you want to make sure that it does say requesting 7 credit hours. All students are required to have at least 7 courses. Once you're ready, you can click Submit, and it will show you a screen confirming the courses that you've enrolled in and then which alternate courses you've chosen. If for any reason you need to go back in and make a change to any course you selected, over here on the class registration tab, you can click and it will allow you to go back and edit any of your selections. Making sure to click OK and submit again, and you should be able to see the updates made. This is the screen you want to screenshot and upload for your counselors to prove that you have completed registration.